What if you could track every trade, spot winning patterns, and fix mistakes all in one place? That's TradeChainly, the first all-in-one trading journal built exclusively for crypto traders. Most journals are made for stocks or Forex. They just don't capture the unique world of crypto. TradeChainly fixes that. In this video, I'll show you exactly how TradeChainly works, the key features, and how it helps you gain an edge, recognize patterns, and become a better, more profitable trader. First thing first, how do we get our trades into TradeChainly? We click on the Add Trade button. There are 3 ways to import trades: through API, file export, or manual entry. The easiest way is API sync. Choose your exchange, let's say Coinbase, and follow the instructions on the right on how to get your API key and secret from your exchange. Copy your API key and secret and paste them here. Pick your market type, choose your account, give your sync a name, and set the starting date range. Click sync and you're done. You can watch the sync progress here. From here, everything is automatically synced. TradeChainly automatically keeps your journal updated, no more manual trade logging. New trades created on the exchange will be automatically synced in the background. You can check the exchange sync history by clicking on it. You can see when the sync finished and how many executions and trades were added to your account. This is TradeChainly signature feature, a continuous, reliable syncing. It solves the biggest headaches for traders, getting accurate data into a journal without spending hours copying and pasting. Now, if you prefer, you can also upload exported trade history files as CSV. You click on File Upload, and here you choose your exchange. On the right side, you will follow the instructions on how to export your trades. Choose your market type. Choose the account where you want to export your trades and upload the file. And there you go. You have successfully imported trades from your exchange through File. And lastly, you have manual entry. If you want to add trades for unsupported exchange, or if you want to test trade, fill the fields, add executions, and save the trade. Once trades are in, we come to the dashboard, the heart of your trading journal. This is where you find all of your key statistics, your net PL, average winners, losers, trade expectancy, win percentages, and the profit factor. Under, you can see the daily net cumulative P&L graphs. On the side, you can see which symbols are best performing, which days and hours are profitable, which are losing, your recent trades, and one of my favorite features, the calendar. It shows you the green profitable and the red losing days. For example, you can click on any profitable day to review your trades. Also, you can click on a losing day and analyze those trades. Next up, we are going to the trade log, where all your trades are listed with details, customize your columns. You can select trades and perform any bulk actions to them. Okay, now let's open a trade. The main statistics. You have the key details about the trade. You can select the trade as reviewed or rate your trade. Another important feature, if you want to keep track of your risk, add the profit target or your stop loss, where this calculates the risk metrics and you track your consistency. We have interactive chart price for this symbol. And in the right corner, you can create note for this trade. Another powerful tool we have are the tags. For example, this is a losing trade. Let's say I chased an entry, so I might tag this trade as FOMO. This way, you group your trades into relevant tags that can be analyzed. Now let's go to tags. Here are your categories, inside mistakes. You can see your tags where the FOMO tag now has the trade that we added. To analyze the FOMO tag, click on the tag and you will see the statistics for all the trades connected to this tag. This way you'll keep your trades organized and find useful edge. In the right corner, you can check all of your FOMO trades. I will show one more trade, a winning one. Let's choose this winning trade. I traded this with my breakout strategy, so I've added the breakout trading setup. Let's return to tags in setups. These are my current strategies. The added winning trade is in the tag. We can analyze the trades I've traded with my breakout strategy now, and here are the trades that are part of it. This is where TradeChainly shines, turning raw data into actionable insights about your trading behavior. You will track and avoid your mistakes and scale and continue using your profitable setups. Let's continue with the daily journal page. Select your trading week. Daily journal groups trades by day. Here you can sort your days by time, PL, or percentage. Let's say we want to analyze the 19th of August. We can see each executed trade that day. We can see the cumulative PL. And also we can create or check the note for that day. If you had a great or bad trading day, you can check the mindset and notes you had that day. Now, let's visit the notebooks. Numbers tell the story, but context gives it meaning, and that's exactly what notebooks and TradeChainly provide. Here, you can write down daily reflections, trade notes, or even create custom entries. You can also attach screenshots of your chart analysis for quick reference. It's the perfect place to track your mindset, record your reasoning, and explain the strategies behind your trades. Later, you can revisit these notes to understand why you were winning or why you were losing at certain times. Over time, this helps you uncover patterns in your behavior that directly impact your results, giving you a deeper edge in your trading journey. Let's talk AI. On top of our journaling, we've built AI-powered prediction models, Aurora and Sentinel. These models generate predictions for the most traded cryptocurrencies across different timeframes. It's like having an extra tool for your toolkit to help validate trades or spot potential setups for your trades. Choose your symbol. Our AI team is continuously improving them and constantly working on new AI tools to help our traders gain an edge. Now let's dive into the reports. TradeChainly comes with a full reporting suite designed to uncover your trading patterns. The overview report gives you all the key statistics you need, from net or gross P&L to cumulative performance, win rates, and more. Then we have the hourly report, which shows your most profitable times of day. For example, you might see you trade best in the morning, but not as well at night, instantly revealing time-based patterns. The daily report helps me spot weekday versus weekend performance. The weekday trades are more profitable, but weekend trades struggle due to lower volume, as you can see. The monthly report highlights which months you are most profitable, and trade duration reports reveal how long your winning trades usually last. For instance, maybe trades under 1 day are profitable, while longer ones tend to lose money. There are also detailed reports for entry price, trade volume, symbols, and risk metrics like R multiples and position sizing, giving you a full breakdown of where you trade best. You can even analyze setups versus mistakes, winning versus losing trades, or compare groups side by side, like longs versus shorts, or one strategy against another, to see exactly where your edge lies. Now, let's move on to accounts. If you go into your settings and open the accounts, this is where you'll organize everything. You can create up to 20 active accounts, each with its own name and profit calculation method, so you can tailor it to your trading style. With bulk actions, you can quickly manage your trades, add trades to an account, transfer them between accounts, delete specific trades, or even remove an account entirely. So why use a trading journal at all? Because the only way to consistently improve as a trader is by tracking your data. You need to clearly see what's working, what isn't, and where your real edge lies. That's exactly what TradeChainly gives you. It helps you uncover strengths, identify weaknesses, and refine your strategy with confidence. And this is just the beginning. We're building even more tools, like full strategy backtesting, where you'll be able to set rules and instantly see how they would have performed historically. We're working on advanced AI features to deliver deeper insights and predictive tools for traders who want to stay ahead. And here's the best part. Every upgrade, every new feature will be included in your subscription. No upsells, no hidden tiers, no surprise fees, just one all-in-one plan. That's TradeChainly, the crypto trading journal built exclusively for traders serious about mastering their craft. Give TradeChainly a try. Thanks for watching.